Gabriel Vilches and his stepfather, David Gardner, had their preliminary hearings on Monday, where Gardner is now denying any involvement in the murder of his wife. His defense attorneys argue any evidence against them stems from the testimony of his stepson.
That's all they have, and the fact that he's there. They have, other than the statement, the second statement of Mr. Vilches, they have nothing.
A police report states Gabriel Vilches admitted he beat his mom, Sylvia Vilches, with a baseball bat, all while his stepdad, Daniel Gardner, watched, and then proceeded to help burn her body.
There was reddish-brown stains on the carpet. On all four walls, there was blood spatter on the desk, on the printer, on the baseboards, all over the walls.
Brian Wilkie with Sequatchie County Sheriff's Office testified. In Vilches' room, deputies found Sylvia Vilches' driver's license, citizenship ID, and car keys, later finding her phone in a nearby lake, per Vilches' directions. However, Vilches' attorney argues she wasn't made aware her client was even being interviewed.
At any point, did anyone discuss reaching out to me, since I'm his attorney, and letting me know that he was asking to speak to you?
Not that I'm aware of.
But would this damage the state's case? I asked Attorney Bill Speak, who isn't involved with the case. He tells me the practice isn't too common, but it's perfectly legal.
It's my client's responsibility to say, I have a lawyer who I want present at the time. It is not the police's responsibility to say, you have a lawyer, we need to get his permission first.
Gardner's attorneys say he was asleep at the time of the murder and attempted to find his wife once she went missing. But prosecutors argue that is highly unlikely.
Quite frankly, it's just defies any form of logic that Mr. Gardner was not aware of what had happened. He took no active steps to find his wife. They made a phone call, maybe sent a text, but their phone never left the mountain.
In Sequatchie County, Ray Collado, News Channel 9.